Yo, what's up guys? Matt Steffanina back here again, and yo, I gotta tell you guys a secret today, but you can't tell the subscribers over on the main channel. You guys are my favorite. They're cool, I love all the subscribers, everybody on here is great, but we train together, we sweat together. When I see you guys at the workshops, you know all the routines, and that makes me so happy. It makes me so proud as a teacher, as a mentor. I just wanna say thank you. You guys are honestly really, really amazing, and that's why I'm giving you this tutorial. No brainer, Justin Bieber, Chance the Rapper is fire. Check out this little clip right here. I'm trying to bring you as many tutorials as I possibly can when I have time back here in LA. We're coming to a lot of different countries, a lot of different cities. I'm gonna be out teaching, doing meet and greets. I'm trying to meet all of you guys at Matt Steffanina on the Instagram, at Epic Dance Videos, hashtag Epic Dance Videos. If you guys learn this piece and you put your covers up, make sure you tag all that so we can find your covers. And we're gonna be reposting some of your guys' videos up on Instagram. Now, also gotta give a big shout out to my little bro, Julian. He collabed with me on this piece and killed it. And you guys have probably seen I've been mixing up a lot of who I'm dancing with and who's assisting me in class lately. And some of these kids, I've been teaching them since they were like 6, 8 years old. It's just really like a proud moment to see these kids that I've been training for so long and they're killing it and get to collaborate with them on these pieces. So let's get to the tutorial. No brainer, Justin Bieber, Quavo, Chance the Rapper, DJ. There's like 400 people in this. DJ Khaled, another one, leg up. All right, so we're doing Chance the Rapper's verse and it starts off, he says, "Don't look rich, I ain't got no chain." And if you know the lyrics to this, it'll definitely help you remember the steps. The first thing you're gonna do is jump up, you're gonna kick your right foot out, you're gonna step right, left, right. Arms, all you're doing when your foot kicks out, your hands are gonna push like this on don't. So go 7, 8, don't look rich. So when you do this, it's like you're showing off your wrist. I just happen to have on a nice watch right now. It's kind of, ooh, it's a little icy in here. You're gonna pull this in like this. I don't got no chain. Chain go over your head, just like that. So from here, you're pulling your wrist open, your leg comes in, then you go tap your shoulder, then I'm pivoting on my heels to left. Switch to the other shoulder, then I'm gonna grab my elbow and on chain, I'm gonna go chain. Put the chain on, see? Then you're gonna take your left knee in, ooh, open your hands up. You're gonna wave right arm to left. He says, not on the list. So you like writing, this is your imaginary pen, this is the list, boom, not on the list. You're gonna twist and go, got no, then you're gonna take your right hand to your mouth, name. So let's try that much from the top. 6, 7, 8, and don't look rich, I ain't got no chain. I'm not on a list, I ain't got no name. Nice, from here, energy picks up a little bit. You're gonna step left, right, left, and bring it up. You're gonna go hit in, then 2 grooves to the right. So when you do this, it's like you're pushing forward a little bit, cross in, whop. You want that to be really aggressive, then this is really fast. Tap, tap. So just a small jump in, arms, feet in, to go out, out, then you step on your right, punch, 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 throw. He says, Benjamin Franklin, something like that, he's talking about money. D, throw the money up, make it rain. You're gonna prep down. You're gonna pull back. This is like two L's, say, and then you're gonna push this right foot around. Round this down with the right hand around, zoop. You're gonna go, ha. As you come around, you finish with a hop there. So this is, I ain't got no chain. Not on the list, I ain't da. But we in this, click, click, chill, and I keep it Ben Franklin, a 7 and push, woo, nice. From here, 1, you're gonna step forward on 2 on your left foot. You're gonna go back, right, left, nice straight arms there. It's like some people are coming at you like saying stuff, you're like, get away from me. So you get real angry for a second, then you'll be smooth about it. You're gonna bring your right hand to your chest, you're gonna go, boo, boo. So 2 chest pops, boom, boom. And as I do this, it's bringing me up, so my left leg comes off the floor by that second one. Then these next 3 counts is the fastest counts of your entire life that you may ever do. I'm sorry, I apologize in advance. Ta, ta, you're gonna go kick, ta, ta. So left foot kicks, right hand goes up, kick, ta, ta. Then you're gonna go in, then you're gonna point forward, So my elbows just come in, zoop, and I'm pointing to the front. So it goes da, 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 ga, ga. You go right, left, hit, right, left, groove, groove. Now don't worry, we're gonna go back over all that and I'm gonna give you some lyrics to kind of connect to, but let's get the steps one more time. After, chest, chest, this is where it gets crazy. Ta, 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 right, left. He says, bestie, so imagine like, he says you and your bestie, so imagine you're grabbing like somebody and a friend, then you take it down, hit, that starts your foot going behind, right, left, groove, groove. Go, one more again. So, we did turn, this is 1 and 2, 3 and 4 and 5 and 6 and 7 and 8 and 1, 2. Nice. Then you're going to circle your hands around like this. Circle, catch. As you catch, notice how my left hand is like he says, text me. So imagine that your left hand is grabbing a phone, boom, and your left hand stays here and your body turns towards your hand. You're going to go click. So pop really hard, use your abs and your thighs, boom, squeeze to go right, left. So I'm just tilting right and then dropping down to the center, boom, boom. Then I'm going to roll towards my body, left hand high. I'm going to throw this away, chill, and I'm going to bring my left foot, ooh, and I'm going to pull it in like this. Good. All right, so that's our first checkpoint. Let's do that last part really slow. One more again. After you went ta 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 from there. So we did chest chest, ta 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 ba ba, and your bestie, ta ga ga. 1, 2. When you text me, click, goom goom, bra. 7, 8. Ah. Hey, all right, killing it, killing it, killing it. I'm gonna assume so. If not, again, you know, these are advanced combos, so don't expect to get it in 5 minutes. If you do, you need to move to LA and come train with me and be in class every day. All right, work up to that. Let's go from the top. Here we go. 5, 6, 7, 8. Don't look rich. I ain't got no chain. I'm not on a list. I ain't got no but we end this up. Ba ba ta ta. Hey. And a ta ta ta, throw, and a down and turn. 1, 2, ta ta, goom goom, ta 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 ta, and a goom ta ta. 1, 2, and a 3, 4, goom goom, ra, boom, ta ah. Hey. So remember, the idea with this is that I'm gonna give you the timing, the counts, and then once you hear it with the music, that's when you're really gonna lock into everything. So you gotta find click, goom, goom, brah, doom, hey, yeah. You gotta hear those sounds. When I say boom, boom, that means in the music it goes doom, doom, bass, bass, doom, doom, and then there's brah. So I want you guys to really find that. All right, we're gonna go on. We're gonna go on. You can go back if you need it. Pull from here. Now the fun part begins. Little isolations. The feet, all you're gonna do with your feet is this. That's the easy part. Ready for the hard part? This part messed up. You're gonna go wrists, elbows, shoulders, chest. Wrist, elbow, shoulder, chest. And I give it like a little bouncy, 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 yeah. But still clean, still clean. So the feet, the hands at the same time. 5, 6, 7, 8. Ch, 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 ch. And then you're gonna go choosing her squad. So this is the part in the music where he says, she choosing her squad. So you're gonna chill on that last part. All I'm doing is taking my leg across, A, then you're gonna go kick and ha. So your right foot, kick, right, left. Your hands roll towards your body to go here. Then you're gonna bring this arm, this is like magic. I'll teach you a magic trick today. You thought you were just coming for a dance tutorial. Here you're gonna learn a trick. You're gonna come through like this. Yeah, ah. See how I did that? So it starts, your left hand doesn't move at first. You go here, you come down, and then you like cheat it so there's a little bit of space. And then as you come here, boom, now you got both your hands. This one's gonna stay attached. You're gonna go boom, knock it. You're gonna go boom, knock it. Then you're gonna take it around and go through, voila. For my French fans out there, Je parle un petit peu français. Spanish, I got you too. Hablo un poquito español. I'm practicing a lot, you guys. I'm really, really trying out here, you know what I mean? So we got this whole section. Slowly. 7, 8, you go. choosing her squad. Here you go. Kick, tut, tut, between, tut, 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 tut. Now, the words are gonna help you a lot on this part because it is fast. You go in 7, 8. He says she choosing her squad. She trying to choose between me, Justin, Quay, and Assad. So the key here is she trying to choose between. You have to go between, stop there. Then he's saying all the people in the song, and then DJ Khaled's son. So Justin, Quay, and Assad. She trying to choose between me, Justin, Quay, and Assad. Nice, let's go on. From here, bring your hands in. Yeah. It's like a swim move, like a little breaststroke. And at the same time, your knees are going in first. And then you literally just like tapping this toe, and I kind of go in, out, out. Then you're gonna go pull down. And my hands are just like in this prayer here. He says something like, she says she loves it, I make music for God. So you're gonna make that really chill. Then we're almost there, you guys killing it. You're gonna step left, right, and I'm on my right heel, so I can go twist, right, left, knee, in, out. Try that again. 7, 8, left, right, twist, right, left, knee. Your hands are just gonna go like this, and they're gonna kind of do a little like scarecrow, like puppet situation. So you're gonna go, boom, dot, ga. Hands, body shift over, clap, 2 times. Cool, last part, one more 8 count of grooves, and then we out. You're gonna hit 1 and, you're gonna go out and low and high, brain, It ain't that hard to choose. And that's it. You guys all done, man. This is a hard piece. You know, these are expert masterclass LA level pieces. So good job for even getting through it to the end. Don't worry, I'm gonna go back. I'd never leave you guys hanging. I got you. Let's go from, why don't we do the whole new part one time, and then we'll take it back from the very top, yeah? 5, slow, 6, 7, you did 8 and 1 and choosing her squad. She tryna choose between me, Justin, Quay, and her. A 1 and 2 and make music for God. A 5E and a 6E and a 7 and hit, boom. You stand out from the crowd, baby, it's a no-brainer. It ain't that hard to choose, freestyle, and this groove is what we did in our version. So if you want to add that groove at the end just for fun, I really like it. It's just literally like right, left, stop, go, left, right, stop, go. Yeah, but I didn't teach that part in class. That's extra credit. I think you guys can all handle it though, because you're good and stuff. All right, cool. Let's go from the very top. You still remember all this? How about all this? Okay, that was too much energy. Here we go. Slowly one time first, the whole thing. Then we're gonna go up to speed so you guys can get it down with the music. Ready? 5, 6, 7, 8. Don't look rich, I ain't got no chain. I'm not on a list, I ain't got no name. But we in this up, tick, tick, da, ba, and I keep it Ben Franklin, I'm not going to 1 and 2, ta, slow, goom, goom, da, bestie, boom, ta, boom. 2 and grab, doom, and up, push, here we go. Choosing her squad. She tryna choose between me, Justin, Quay, and a Zoom. A 1 and 2 and 3, 4, 5E and a 6E and a 7 and clap, boom. You stand out from the crowd, baby. It's a up, down, hey. It ain't that hard to choose. If you wanna do this part, I don't know why it's so fun. Hey, and then do a cool freestyle with some tuts, with some boom. I like those basses. And then you do all that. Whatever feels good for you for the freestyle, of course. But now we gotta get ourselves together because that was cute. That little slow 70%, that was real cute, but That's not gonna get us the routine. That's not gonna get us looking right. We gotta go. If you said faster, you get a billion points, whatever that means to you. Here we go, faster. All the way up. Another one, major key, father of a side. How many catchphrases one guy need? Come on, college, it's a fast one. 5, 6, 7, 8. Said, don't look rich, I ain't got no chain. I'm not on a list, I ain't got no but we in this up, tick tick, and a ta ta ta, woo, and a ka ka, woo. 1, 2, ta ta, boom boom, da 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 ta ta, su ta ta. 1, 2, and 3, click, boom boom, ra, boom. A and lit, it, choosing a squad, ta ta ta, between me, Justin, da 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 ta. 1 and 2, 3, 4, a 5, and a 6, and a 7, geek, woo, and a yeah, and a 3, and hey, chill, if you wanna groove, and groove, and do cool freestyle moves like not these ones, not this one, never do that one again. Okay, maybe one time. Oh damn, if you're not out of breath after that, then you're acting lazy and you're not dancing full out. And you should be dancing full out. If you don't have enough space, I already told you guys, you got clear furniture. You gotta tell Mom, hey Mom, I need the living room for an hour, give me some space. But dance full out, that's how you get better. Good job today, you guys. I'm sure you're killing this one. Remember, give yourselves time, be patient. You might not get it first try, but you will get it if you stick to it. Make sure you guys check out all the other tutorials, subscribe, hit the bell, turn on notifications if you're not part of the family yet, because I'm dropping new tutorials every week. We got other teachers, everybody's killing it. I wanna see you guys kill it too, so stick around, learn some more. I'll see y'all next time.